Welcome back, everybody. Today we're gonna be trying we're gonna do some creek fishing again, but it's a little cold out. It's like 57, 55, and it's pretty windy, so it's gonna be kind of a challenge. I think we're turning on gravel here, so it might get a little noisy, but nah, you're good. But there's like 3 different spots we're gonna try. It's all the same creek, but the road goes over 3 different spots, so we're gonna give them a try. I've tried them before and I've always had pretty good luck, so we're gonna see what we can catch. Probably just a lot of smallmouth and spotted bass, but hopefully we'll catch something good. All right, we just made it to the first spot and it looks pretty good. It's a little low. I don't know. Let's see what we can do here. I haven't fished this spot before, but I fished some spots down the road. But it's a little shallow, but it's definitely good enough to hold fish. So we'll see what we can catch. Windy. Maybe I have fished so far. Oh, nice cast. How long does it take before we get snagged? No shot. Okay. My reel has all kinds of sand in it or something. Yeah, or it's just rusted. Yeah, I need to clean it. When was the last time you creek fished? Yeah, I really didn't. Yeah.
I got a fly fish before.
Where'd you get it from? Oh yeah.
But I just want to get learn on it.
Yeah. I don't know how to fly fish. I've never done it.
It's pretty. I never did it, and it's pretty simple. Like once you get the hang of it.
Yeah. There we go. Little spot. Not bad. Oh God, he swallowed it. There we go. Little spot. He swam back up on land. Got one? Nah. What? A little smallie? Yeah. Oh, it's a spotted bass. A little spotted bass. Yeah, nice. We're using their little like, crappie jig type thing. Little tube on a jig head. Nice. Fish number 2. Both spotted. Nice. Got a little turkey feather. Turkey patrolling the beach. Looking for whatever, I don't know. Where do turkeys eat rocks?
Yeah.
For their
stomach.
yeah, to digest. Oh, this looks kind of good right here. Got one? Nice. Is this one off? Oh, heck yeah, nice. Did you pull him out of that shallow over there? Nice fish. You got another one? What's that? Another, that's a spot. Yeah. Nice fish. Dang, look at that belly button, dude. He's eating something. Are you just jigging it? Is he? This does not feel good at all, dude. Oh shit. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a good one. Nice smallmouth. Oh my God, that's a nice fish. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Dude, that's a nice smallmouth. Hold on, quit jumping, quit jumping. All right, so I just pulled this guy out of that hole over there. It's a decent smallmouth compared to the one I caught. Well, I didn't catch him a while ago, but we caught a couple. And I was not expecting to catch that. He's definitely over a pound. That's the biggest smallmouth I've caught in a while. I'm gonna get a measurement on him. There's a little sunfish swimming.
Oh, a pound and a half, probably.
Yeah, I should have weighed it and measured it, but I do have fish on. I was wondering why my line was moving. It's not bad. My line was moving, but he didn't like ever bite it. All right, that's good. That's good. You're good. All right, you're getting gripped. There we go. Ah, poor dude. Oh, what is that? A rock bass? A little goggle eye or rock bass? I'm not really quite sure what those are called.
I think they're called rock.
I just call them rock bass, but I don't know if there's a different name for them. Nice. That's kind of cool. But it was lost for a second. Nice.
That was like a...
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I have fish. I didn't even know I had a fish on. No way. I know, that was spotted bass, I think. Of course, my last cast. Well, I guess that means another, right? Can't go out like that. No way. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't get a good hook set on. Or one period. There we go. I got him. Oh, yeah, he's good. Oh, he's not bad, actually. I think it's the same one. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah, he's not bad at all. Oh, come here. This is spotted. That actually kind of looks like a largemouth. I think it's spotted. Yeah, it's spotted. I don't know. Hold on. That's a largemouth. Yeah, I was wondering, he's kind of bigger. Largemouth bass. The other ones we caught were spots. No, it's fine. He's not that big. Well, that's a good fish to go out on. Largemouth. That's the 4th species going out on.
Nice species challenge.
Didn't realize he was unhooked. Good deal. All right, we are making our way back. It's getting kind of dark and bite slowed down just a little bit, but kind of taking a different way because the way over here was pretty deep and we got pretty wet, so we're gonna take a drier route and see if it's better. That's a big armadillo, dude. The thing was huge. All right, so we just finished up the upper part of the creek. We didn't get to fish the other 2 creeks I was talking about, but because we're having such good luck at this creek, so why not stay there until. So I think we're gonna try the other 2 creeks another day maybe, and see what we can catch there. I don't know. We had a pretty good time at this creek, so we might even try it again. I'm not sure, but it got really deep. Well, not really deep, but it kept getting wider. Yeah, and there's no more really bank to walk, so we decided to call it. Plus the light situation, we're losing light pretty fast, so I don't know. All right, we're back. We're at the same spot again, but we're gonna try fishing downstream this time. And if we don't have good luck here, we're gonna try and go to the O2 spots down the road. We have a little more time to fish today, so hopefully we can catch some more fish than we did last time. I think we caught how many last time? Like
5 or 6.
5 or 6 probably.
And one good one.
Yeah, one decent smallmouth. Oh, and also I didn't really get to introduce this guy last time. This is my friend Matt.
What up?
He's pretty experienced at fishing, probably more than I am actually. You do a lot of trout fishing, right?
Yeah.
Trout fishing and just bass, you know, a little bit of everything. So hopefully catch a lot of fish today.
Caught like a 5-pound perfect mom.
On a fly?
On a fucking,
Oh, really? These Ned hooks are a little lighter, so they sink a little slower too.
if I can get in the mouth of it, I can get it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Means hell yeah. Oh, here we go. Yep, there we go. There's a fish. Let's go. That's a spotted bass. Finally.
Oh, I tried to catch one.
Ow. Yeah, you're good. There we go. First fish of the day. Finally. We've walked like 3 miles already. I'm joking. It's been like not even one, but now he's biting my hand. Let go. Finally. Oh. All right, this. Bro, what is this? No, bro. It's just it's dammed up. It's like really deep. It's a nice spot. Finally got one. Oh, he's dark. Look how dark he is. That is a nice spot. There we go. It's probably first fish, decent fish of the day at least. Nice. Is it? That's pretty cool. Where at? There we go. There's a little smallmouth. Little dude. Finally. You didn't even know I had a fish on, did you? He swam right at me.
So when I said daddy.
Alright, I think we're gonna wrap it up here. We ended up just fishing downstream. We didn't try those other 2 spots because we kept seeing different spots in the creek that looked good, so we decided to keep walking. So we're probably about 3/4 mile down from where we parked, and we've only caught like 4 fish, so it wasn't near as good as yesterday. It's been a lot of spots that look good but just don't put out any fish, so it's been kind of weird. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you don't mind liking and subscribing, it means a lot. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Say bye, Matt.
See you guys.